Tap the Settings tab, then scroll over to General and Accessibility and choose the Speech section. Make sure the slider for Speak Selection and Speak Screen is turned on. Once it is turned on, you will begin to hear the read out loud options on your book. So touch the Kindle icon. Your Kindle library will appear. Choose a book, highlight the text, tap the text twice. When you have finished selecting the text, a little box will show up. It will say Translate. Go ahead and click on the blue icon, which is a speaker, and it will start to read the text out loud. The text will appear inside the box. Make sure you press the English tab as well.
HTML is the next major version of the HTML standard used to replace HTML 4.01, XHTML 1.0, and XHTML 1.1. HTML5 is a standard for creating and distributing content on the World Wide Web. The HTML5 World Wide Web Consortium, W3C, and Web Hypertext Technology is the product of the Wacking Group.